Uh, hey people, so we are at this place called Magnolia Bakery, and Ayush, what is this flavor of ice cream? Your chocolate hazelnut. How does it taste? This is for 200 rupees a scoop, and wow, this is you have it, Ayush. Yes, someone can.
It's in New York City.
This is this is like a curd kind of thing.
No, it's a curd.
Okay. Yeah, Chiku or Anvika, can you show? Yeah. You can tell us how it tastes. Oh, that looks like a rasgulla type, no? Okay. How does it taste? Oh, yeah. Is it? We can get one more spoon, I'm thinking. I'll just go and get it. Yeah. Ayush, give me a bite of that, please. Show. Fast. I just want to taste it. Ayo, how you like this?
How do you like vanilla?
Let's try this.
Yeah, we'll open it first. Huh?
Hazelnut.
Oh, okay. Oh, sorry, this is a big bite.
Yeah, I think.
It's very sweet, yeah.